Hello, children. Good morning. You all remember the story of Ivan? You know how he became the king of that country? Yes, he helped the king to get rid of the crows from that country, and as a token of gratitude, the king got the princess married to Ivan, right? So, Ivan started ruling the kingdom wisely. Okay, we'll read the remaining part of the story. A new servant. Years passed. One day, an old man came to Ivan's palace. Ivan ordered his guards to bring him inside. The old man in shabby clothes appeared before him. He was so tired. Dear old man, what can I do for you? Ivan asked. Oh, your majesty, I lost my wife and all my wealth. I find no way to make a living. I am old and cannot work. Let me stay here and serve you, said the old man. Ivan appointed him as a servant. Yes, who came to Ivan's palace one day? An old man in shabby clothes. Shabby means dirty clothes. Dirty clothes came and he was very tired. What did the old man tell Ivan? He told that he lost his wife and he has lost all his wealth. And what did the old man ask him? Old man has no way to make a living. He has no job. So he can't find money to make a living. So the old man asked Ivan to appoint him as a servant. And Ivan appointed that old man as his servant. The nightingale is back. One night, Ivan was resting on his royal bed. He looked out of the window. A full moon was rising. Little stars were blinking to greet the moon. A soft wind carried the fragrance of wildflowers into the room. From the distant skies, Ivan heard the song of a nightingale. It's my nightingale. Ivan stood up and went to the window. Soon the nightingale came to him and sat on the window sill. They spoke for a long time. As you said, I became the king. But what happened to the merchant? Ivan asked. Oh, your majesty, he is in your palace and he is serving you. Saying this, the nightingale flew away and disappeared into the sky. Your majesty, supper is ready. Ivan looked at the old servant at his door. He could not believe his eyes. It was his old master. Yes, what happened when Ivan was resting on his royal bed one day? It was a beautiful night. Full moon was there. Little stars were blinking. Then there was fragrance in the wind. Wild flowers, fragrance of wild flowers. Fragrance means pleasant smell, good smell. Okay, then he heard the song of a nightingale and he understood that it was the nightingale, the same nightingale which used to visit him when he was in the merchant's house. Okay, and they spoke for a long time. Ivan and the nightingale spoke for a long time. The nightingale sat on the sill of his window. Sill means that place at the bottom of the window, that horizontal place, flat surface. Like shelf, there is a place at the bottom of the window, no? That is window sill. So the nightingale sat there and they both spoke to each other for a long time. And Ivan asked the nightingale what has happened to his merchant. Ivan told that he has become the king. The prediction of nightingale has become true, right? Ivan is the king now. Nightingale has predicted long back that Ivan would become the king and his master will become his servant. So that prediction has become true and Ivan is the king now. And he is asking the nightingale what happened to the merchant. What was Nightingale's reply? Your merchant is serving you. That merchant is serving you. And who was that servant? The old man who came to Ivan, who told that he has lost his wife, he has lost his wealth. That man was his merchant, right? Yes, now he is serving Ivan, and the prediction of Nightingale has become true now. And at the same time, the old man was waiting at the door of Ivan and calling out, "Your supper is ready, Your Majesty, supper is ready." Supper is ready. Okay, now read this part of the story very well. I will ask questions during the interaction time. Okay, bye. Thank you.